This should not be for free on how to identify powerful reversal patterns in the market. And that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. It's going to help you to really understand how you can pinpoint those reversals in the market. Let's get straight into this video. I'm on the pound US dollar pair and I'm on the weekly time frame. Now I know that this video is going to be a slightly different type of video you normally see in this channel, but believe me, it's going to give you an ability to pinpoint where you can start looking for sell and buy trades in the market. We're going to start current price and work our way back. Now first, let me go through exactly how you're going to look at this pattern in the market. So let's just bring up my drawing tool. Now if we're seeing a bullish movement in the market and we're looking for a reversal pattern, what we're going to look for is, one, we need to see a break of the previous candle's high. The next, we need to see a reversal breaking back below that previous level. And three, we then need to see price coming back and we need to see price holding below that level or testing that level for an entry to sell the market, to then see finally the market falling away in your favor. I'm going to show you how you can use this pattern in the market to success, going through this weekly time frame first on the pound US dollar. It will work on any time frame, but the higher the time frame, the more power this will have. So let's now go through on this chart. So at current price, we can identify we're in that clear down trend. We can also see that the last move up in the market was, let's go closer into price, this candlestick right here. We can identify that we've closed above. Okay, now we've not closed back down. We're actually holding above still, which means we could see a continuation higher. So right now, I need to see a bearish close back below this level before I can start looking to sell this market. Otherwise, we could be looking for bullish momentum back to the upside. Now, looking at the previous area, we see the pullback in this downtrend. We can identify this reversal. Now, this is the pattern we were just looking at. And we can see first, this is the candlestick here, which breaks up above this level, the previous high of this candle. And this is the reversal candle. So there's your two candle reversal, breaking above and reversing back down. We're then looking for this level to hold. And what do we see? We see the push up on the wick of this candle and a close back down, identifying that this level was held and the market continues to fall. Now you can go down to lower time frame here and pinpoint your entry using all the information that you've got from this channel so far. So if you want to understand how to capture an entry here, go through the videos in this channel to understanding how to use supply and demand and understanding the use of the smart money concepts. Now there's some great videos that recently have gone through which will help you. In fact, there's a strategy understanding the breakout trading strategy using imbalances. You can apply that with the use of this strategy. Now, if you want to watch that video, don't worry, it's going to be popping up at the end of this video, so stay tuned so you can watch that video next. But let's go back in time. We'll continue to see how this market reverses at these trend points. Okay, so we're still in that bearish trend. This is my last reversal point in the market. And look at this, we can identify this is the last push up. Okay, there's nothing magical about this, but this information is going to help you to be a much more precise trader. We then have the bearish move back down, closing back below. We drop away. Where does the market come back to and where does the market hold? The market holds at this previous level. Now this isn't support and resistance, so do not mistake what this is. This is a typical reversal pattern you're going to find in the market using this type of candlestick pattern over and over. Like I said, this information should not be on here for free. And I may even take this video down, so if you want to understand this video, make sure you watch it more than once. So there we can see a great sell trade you could have caught this here on the chart. Whether you waited for this candlestick head to close, taking an entry downside, or you're looking at the lower time frames, using what you learn in this channel. Now going back again in time, you can see the same thing happens over and over. We have this candlestick. We have a push up, close back down. We drag this line across and you can identify the market comes back into this level, okay, at the same time as this reversal. This is valid time to sell. So this works time and time again. Let's just show you. This is the close above. There's your close back down. And there's your pull back to that level. Now again, we can look at this section on the chart. What happens? We have the close above. We have the close back below. We have the pull back to this area where once again we have an area we can see price holds that level and we drop away. Now it's not always going to be perfect. We have this level here in the market and you can identify we actually close above and close back down at this same level. So you wouldn't have taken an entry here until you've seen this close back down. But you can see how this level does work still. Going back in time, we do have an actual area here. We can see the market reverses. Again, we have a push above. Okay, we don't push above anymore. And this is your close back down. Where does the market come back to? To pinpoint that level. And we drop away. Now the market's gone from that bearish trend and this is your bullish trend. We can do the exact same process at this area on the chart. Now the area I'll be drawing would be this level in the market. This is our last push down. We do push up, we push back down, but we don't close this low and we close back up and then we retest it. And you can see this is the candle that closes back up after we had this closed down. There's your reversal. We have some candles in between, but this is your main reversal. There's your retest for your entry to go long in the market. Again, down to lower time frames looking for that entry. We have this level here. We have a simple, typical, here we have a drop down and a break back up. So there's your drop, reversal, there's your pull back to that level. It holds, the market continues higher. Are you seeing the sequence here of using this type of strategy? Now you have this level here, nothing happened, price never came back to it. And you have this level here in the market. So you can draw this level as a longer term level. And you can see how precise this is. Because the market actually closes down. And then we close back up right here on this candle. Before we do that, we test that level to the pip. We break up, we come back and we retest it. At the same time as we see this reversal. And we continue to go back. This works time and time again. Again, here we have the same thing happen again. We have the close down, the close back up, the retest, continuation on this candlestick. So you can keep going over the charts. You want to back test this strategy and see if it's going to work for you. But this is going to work. Again, we have this simple close down the market. We have a reversal back up, a break of structure, a pullback, retest to here, and a continuation. This is just using the candles on the chart, nothing else. Okay, this is simple for you to understand. Once more, we have this one. You can see this is a reversal where we have a push up, push down, and we close back through. But then we come back to retest it from above and we rally away. It's not always going to work perfectly, but you can see how they do work time and time again. Once again, we have a close above, the break away to the downside, the pull back, retest this previous level. This is the weekly time frame. Think of the pips you can capture on the way down. And again, we can see a reversal here. Now this one does drop down, pulls back up. We don't retest that level until over here. We do have a rally up, back up to this level. So if you understood the way the markets move with this simple pattern in the market, the simple reversal pattern, you can capture a trade on the retest back up and a sell back down. And again, we can mark it out here. We have the reversal. On this occasion, we don't have an entry. We're not always going to find that entry. And then we have the reversal here in the market where we do have a breakdown, retest, retest, manipulation, and a rally away. Now there is a video in this channel that understands this manipulation. In fact, I'll leave that linked above now if you wish to watch that video. Now this is a great way to understand the flow of the market, but if you want to understand the flow of the market, the smart money concepts that I use and the supply and demand to capture the trades, then I do suggest checking out that FOREX Masterclass course. Now the link for that and the free courses as well available are all below in the description on this video if you want to check any of those out today. But this video is just to show you this reversal pattern that you can use right away. Again, we can see the reversal here in the market, reversing to the upside, back to the downside. We retest that level and we could sell the market down. This will work time and time again. Again, you can see this level here. This is more of a reversal. We rally up, the market closes back down, we retest it, we drop away. Not saying you're going to trade this type of entry here, but it's showing the market's reversed. And again, this level here is your breakdown. Mark these out so you can see the breakdown, the close back up, the retest, and the rally away. And this works over and over again. This is now a bearish trend. We can see the market's in a bearish trend. We can see the breakup here with this indecision candle, a reversal back down, and the market comes back to test this level for a sell. And we can keep going back, doing the same thing over and over. Here we have the close above. I wanted to show you many examples. This is the real deal. We have the retest here and we fall away. This will happen over and over and over. This is on a weekly time frame. Look at the time we've gone through all this era of chart. Look at all these reversals you could be catching right now as you understand this. And this is a weekly time frame, and the weekly time frame, daily time frame is the best time frame to use. And I'll go down to lower time frames looking for those entries, the ones I want to take that entry on. So what I suggest doing is going away and trying this on a few different pairs, and I would stick with that weekly time frame or even the daily time frame, but applying this method to those higher time frames, then looking for your entry on the lower time frame to capture those trades. But popping up right now is that video that I suggested to go and watch, which is that breakout trading strategy. It's going to give you a working strategy straight away, understanding the breakout with the use of balances in the market.